Join me as I dive into the features of this 22,000 mAh Android phone and see if I can really put its power to the test. This phone is making waves with its massive 22,000 mAh battery, and for good reason. Just imagine having a power bank and a phone in one device. The implications are huge, especially for users who are always on the go and can't afford to have their phone run out of juice. We've all been there, stuck with a dying battery and no charger in sight. It's frustrating, to say the least. Smartphone users are constantly battling with battery life limitations, whether it's trying to squeeze out an extra hour of social media browsing or gaming on the move. This phone aims to change that narrative by offering an unprecedented level of battery life. The limited battery life of most smartphones can really disrupt our daily routines. We're always on the lookout for a charging point, whether at work, in the car, or at home. And even with power-saving features, some phones just can't keep up. This leads to a lot of stress, especially for heavy users. With a phone like this, you could potentially go days without needing a recharge. That's a game changer for people who rely on their devices for work, entertainment, or staying connected with loved ones. No more battery anxiety. The technology behind this 22,000 mAh battery is pretty impressive. It's not just about slapping a huge battery into a phone, it's about efficiency and design. The battery is optimized for performance, ensuring that power is used wisely across various tasks. Compared to standard smartphone batteries, which usually range from 3,000 mAh to 5,000 mAh, this one is a behemoth. Its design also plays a crucial role in its efficiency. The phone's internals are carefully managed to ensure that power consumption is balanced across the board. This means you get to enjoy more screen time, more gaming, and more usage without constantly worrying about running out of battery. But how does it perform in real-world tests? I've seen some impressive results, with users reporting days of moderate to heavy use on a single charge. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on how you use your phone, but the general consensus is that this phone delivers on its promise. Some users have reported using the phone for over 48 hours without needing a recharge, even with heavy usage. That's a significant improvement over most smartphones on the market. And when you do need to recharge, the phone supports fast charging, which gets you back to full power in no time. In real-world usage, this phone's battery life can make a huge difference. Whether you're a busy professional, a gamer, or just someone who likes to stay connected, having a phone that can keep up with your demands is a relief. The battery life isn't the only impressive feature, but it's certainly a standout. When you combine it with the phone's other features, such as a high-quality display and a powerful processor, you get a device that's hard to beat. 16PROMA X32 Plus 1TB Armor Unlocked Cell Phone, Smartphone 6.99-inch HD Screen Android 15 Battery 22,000 mAh AI Unlocked Phone, Face ID/Fingerprint Unlock/ Underwater Night Photo/ Dual SIM/ 5G/ NFC. 16PROMA X32 Plus 1TB Armor Unlocked Cell Phone, Smartphone 6.99-inch HD Screen Android 15 Battery 22,000 mAh AI Unlocked Phone, Face ID/Fingerprint Unlock/ Underwater Night Photo/ Dual SIM/ 5G/ NFC. Anti-fall/waterproof/ dustproof 22,000 mAh long-lasting battery tested for high-altitude drop resistance, IP68 waterproof, dustproof. The 16PROMA X is powered by a large 22,000 mAh battery, provide you with sufficient battery power to allow you to play freely. 6.99 HD Plus Android 15.0 This is an Android cell phone with a large screen, 6.99 HD Plus display 1440x3040. This unlocked Android 15.0 16PROMA X phone is equipped with a 108MP main camera and a 68MP front-facing camera, and it has facial recognition and fingerprint button unlock and quick button for taking photos, which effectively protect your privacy, and convenient and efficient operation. Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 12-core CPU with 32GB plus 1TB of memory is enough for you to use any application simultaneously, including watching movies and playing games. To easily store your favorite music, videos, and pictures, and easily improve the cost-effectiveness of your phone. Dual SIM/TF card holder sharing and global band 5G phone and NFC and infrared dual SIM and 2 card slots. 16PROMA X smartphone adopts 2 card slot design, supports 2 5G and 4G SIM cards. You can use the second number without carrying an extra mobile phone. Excellent transmission speed allows you to freely explore the online world. NFC allows you to perceive and make payments as you please. The infrared function allows you to freely activate the intelligent remote control. The main additional features of this phone include Face ID plus fingerprint button unlock/photos plus dual SIM plus NFC plus GPS plus Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth plus FM, and accessories include phone, phone case, earphone, power adapter, USB cable. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us and we will solve them as soon as possible within 7 times 24 hours. So, what do you think about this 22,000 mAh Android phone? Have you ever wished for a phone that could last days on a single charge? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in more tech content, be sure to check out my other video on the latest smartphone innovations. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.